What's up guys? Today I'm going to do another eating video. I know it's been quite a while since I've done one, but I think I have something perfect for it. Something almost as spicy as that sucker. So let's cue the intro. What's up guys? Today the secret ingredient or secret thing I was talking about is this right here, which on your end may look like throw up, but this is the devil's throw up, and it's not even throw up. I take that back. This stuff is amazing. My neighbor makes it. I went to a party Saturday and she made this sauce, and let me tell you, I had it once before. It's great, so I asked for it again. She made it. Here we are. So this stuff is like, I had maybe that much right there, and my entire face went numb. I couldn't breathe. Like it's some good stuff. And then get them also white. Okay. I have a plate here. We had a party last night as well. I have some chicken and dressing, some carnitas, and some other stuff. I'm gonna put this on my dressing and carnitas. And on standby, I have blue, which is a glass of milk. Let me show you. Oh, hold up. Blue is milk. And then my pink is water, which I'm going to keep on camera. That way, water is just to help me get it down, but the milk is in case I can't take it anymore. And I need that little something. So here we go. We're going to pour it on my food. Like so, and I'll probably add some more as I eat. As well. I'll put myself through pain for you people's pleasure. Alright. Hey, can I get a fork? Boom, fork. It's already started, by the way. I just licked some off my finger, so let's start off with something good. Some green bean casserole. By the way, I'm trying to do a no reaction video, but I've already gotten about a spoonful of it in my mouth. Y'all can see the orange. So I already lost feeling in my face, and my nose is running, and my mouth's on fire, and I want to cry. Anyways, we must continue. The show must go on. And although on camera I always look sexy and I keep this good face, inside I am dying. What you laughing at? Well, that was a bone. I'm telling you, bro, she should sell this stuff. To my teeth. And my nose is running more than Usain Bolt. Daggum. Oh, good, y'all. My taste bud's so numb I can't taste it anyway, so. Sorry, y'all. I quite literally just died. There was a bone in it, and I swallowed it, and it went sideways, and it didn't stay down. I have an alibi. I never drank milk, though. Just the tears of my sorry soul. Okay. Now this stuff's all tender. Mm. Like bird food. Already chewed. But I gotta hurry because I'm about to give in, bro. That's it. Technically, no reaction. Besides dying. Can I catch you on the next one? And again, quick shout out to the stuffing and stuff like that was made by my grandma. The Mexican meat, the carnitas, and this was made by my neighbors. Shout out to y'all, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one if I survive.